package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back. So in today's video, it's time for the Terminator 2020. It's a machine from the future. Yes, people, so let's see what we're going to get. Hey, so we have a new system to unbox, and this one comes with 88 built-in games. Very curious what kind of games. So the funny thing is that I have seen these controls before. The Retro Trio Plus has, let's say, in similar controllers. Of course, this one are different, but they look very similar in some ways. Alright, so the FH008 television computer system. It's a totally new model. I've never seen this before. It's from the brand Ending Man. So that let me think, is this a very old system? Because I did a review a very long time ago about the Ending Man handheld. I loved it. It was really cool, very cheap, very flimsy. So there's nothing really on the box that says, oh, 8-bit games. Alright, so this is what we're going to get. We're going to open it up together and let's see what we're going to get with this one. Ooh, we're getting free goodies. We're getting a free multi-game card. And this is from the brand Pac-Man. Yes, it's back. Pac-Man is back with a cheap portable system, or it's a multi-game card. What I'm saying, I don't know. I have a Braveheart moment. So let's see. Let's take a close look at the system. The weighs almost nothing, people. It's we have a cheap, very cheap system. Ooh, it says here, it's the Terminator. That is really cool. Toasty. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. We're having a power reset. No chemical plastic this time. A little bit disappointed in that. Here we have the model number. It works on 5 volts, 1 amp. It's having a micro USB connection. That is new. You don't see this very often. So this indicates that the system is not very old, because micro USB has been around for some time. We're having AV out. Let's see. Well, we have more. Alright, so we're having 2 controllers. The model itself, I must say, they're not bad at all. Rubbery buttons, select start. D-pad. Not bad at all, but I must say, they have a nice grip. Ooh, brick power supply. Oh, that's a very huge one. There is no converter. Oh, just great. The micro USB cable, another controller, and here we have the AV out cable. So that's it. Let's hook it up and let's play some games and let's test the Pac-Man multi-game card. Ta-dum, dum, ta-dum. Ta-dum, tum, ta-dum. Alright, Terminator has been activated. 88 games, so what are we going to get? We're going to get a lot of homebrew games. Okay, let's play Roadman. Wow. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but oh, there's a lot of interference. The signal output is pretty damn poor. Ah, now you can see it. Oh yeah, it's more like you need to choose the right thing. I need a bridge. Need to move it. Need some new road. And I'm done. Can I speed up or? Can I speed it up? No. More like a simple puzzle game. Reset. Okay, Sky Zone. Wow, look at this happy face. Ah, I have seen this game before on plug and play systems. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, go, go. Oh god. You hit me! You hit me! Why do I get the feeling that I needed that apple thing, or... Yeah, right, so I have 2 of them. What? It's shooting at me. I have no clue what to do. Whatever. Butterfly. Let's see. I can tell you, there are a lot of basic games on this thing. So I'm a butterfly who's shooting something. Alright, so that's what I need to do. I need to fight for my life and I need to shoot stuff. Need to avoid the little things. And this thing. So this boss has a lot of life. Oh yeah! Okay, let's try one more. The fruit tree! Or no. Devil Dum Doom? The what? Oh. Okay, I can shoot. Alright. Okay, what's the point of this game? Just shoot enemies, or? Yeah, alright, it's time to test out the game that comes with this. Ah, cool. This is the multi-game card with the 2 languages. You need to press select and it switches to the other menu. It's pretty cool. Yeah. This one got some decent games. All the Avenger games, Tiny Toons, Chippendales, all the sport games, Plumber, so they're basically the Mario games. Turtles 4, here's a fighting game. Very cool that you have this little thumbnail. Is this what I think it is? Yep, even Castlevania is on this thing. So there are a lot of good games. Okay, let's try some games, people, because the list goes on and on. Hey! Oh, something else. Thinking a lot of homebrew games. I think we have seen all the good games now. Yep. I'm guessing the system is running on PAL because of the low speed. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do we have turbo buttons? Oh yeah. I really like the comfort of the controller. It's very nice. Come on, can I beat the stage or what? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Run for it, run for it, run for it, run for it. Oh! Whoa, that was a glitch. I'm getting my ass whooped here. Why doesn't the control respond? I'm pushing the button and nothing happens. I just tried to punch him in the face, but he doesn't do... Just go down! Rawr. Okay, so I started this game, and as you can hear, the sound is very off. Oh my god, this is horrible. It's slow. Whoa. Oh man, this is bad. This is bad. Oh. 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 I don't know what I'm hearing now, but is this a new remix or something? Because I have never heard it before. Oh, man, oh man. I have heard and seen some pretty poor emulation of NES, but this is the next level shit. I can tell you that. Alright, so what do I think of the Terminator? So, oh my god, this is... Sometimes you're thinking, you have this brand or this name, they think, okay, this can be something, but playing with it, the building games are just crappy like always. with this homebrew crappy shit from the from the 90s. I don't care. I don't care when they have made, but it's just horrible. But man, this using the original cartridge, you can see poor signal output, and that's it. It's just horrible. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye. So for the real final conclusion. It has been terminated.